This video is recommended for top 7 sewing machine for quilting under $500. Singer 9960. The features is 1,172 stitch applications including letters, stitching sequencing using memory, 13 one-step buttonhole styles with consistent buttonholes, and use Singer Class 15 transparent bobbins. Convenient stitch selector that includes previews of stitch style, width, and length. Needle to tower sewing space of 6.4 inches and height of 4.0 inches. Brother XR9500PRW. The features is large and intuitive LCD display, 110 built-in stitches, automatic needle threader. Included is a protective hard case and an oversized wide table. Choose from 8 styles of one-step that auto-size buttonholes for virtually perfect buttonholes, and 8 sewing feet included. Brother CS6000I. The features is built-in 60 stitches and 7 different styles of auto-sized one-step buttonholes. Easy-to-use stitch selector interface with LCD display, automatic needle threader, super simple bobbin winding system, electronic variable speed control, the oversized wide table included for larger projects, brightly lit LED work area. A built-in free arm is available to sew sleeves and cuffs. Singer 7469Q. The features is 98 stitches for all fabric stretch, basic, decorative, fast drop and sew bobbin placement allowing easy thread picking up. Choose the needle's stopper up-down position upon demand. Teeth can also be adjusted to allow button sewing or free motion sewing. 6.5 inches sewing space and height 5 inches. Use Singer Class 15J transparent bobbins. Singer 7258. 203 stitch application for any project or fabric. The automatic needle threader threads the machine easily. Fast drop and sew the bobbin's position to make it easy to pick up the thread. Simple one-step buttonhole that gives the same results every time. 5.5 inches sewing space and 3.7 inches height. Use Singer Class 15J transparent bobbins. Singer 4423. The features is more power by 50% when it comes to heavy fabrics. Stitch application 97 for any fabric. Extra high speed sewing speed. Threading guides that are quick and easy to follow. 6.25 inches sewing space and 4.25 inches height. And use Singer Class 15 transparent bobbins. Janome 2212. The features is 12 stitches with 1 4-step buttonhole, snap-on presser feet, and extra high presser foot lift. 5-piece feed dog, push-pull bobbin winder. Front-loading vertical oscillating hook bobbin, stitch selection dial, maximum stitch width 5 mm and length 4 mm. 2 retractable vertical spool pins.